Hi, welcome back to my channel. Once again, my name is Sachit, and today in this video I'm going to explain how to make corrections to the personal details in DigiProfile online. For this, you just have to log into your DigiProfile by using your Indos ID and your password, and after that you do not have to enter your profile. Do not click on update Seafarer profile. Instead, click on request for personal details correction in Seafarer profile. As soon as you click, this page will get open right in front of you, and the name of the person whom this Indos belongs will get open. You can see here, and next bookmark is request for correction of personal details. Click on that bookmark, and then you can see all the details. The personal details are visible here. Before you make any correction or before you do anything, make sure you read the rules, because that is quite important. So you can see the first thing is, please contact MTT Indos cell for application status at ttc-dgs@nic.in. So if you have requested for any correction, the same you can check the status of that, whether it is approved or declined. You can check that on this email. Just write an email to this email ID and they'll reply you with the status. Next is, all the fields marked with asterisks are mandatory. That means whichever field is marked with asterisks, you have to fill it. Next is, please enter double comma, hyphen double comma in the proposed change where you want to remove existing profile value. Suppose if you want to remove any existing value, just have to put down this value in that line. Let's say I want to change my state, so I'll put here this value, I'll put here, and this value will be removed. Next is, please check entire application before clicking on submit for correction button, because once you click on submit, the form will be submitted and it will be forwarded to the backend department, and they will make the correction as per your request. So before you click on submit, make sure you double check the details. So you can see the personal detail. Your name is there, surname, full name, then gender, date of birth, father's name, place of birth, state. So whichever information is incorrect or you want an correction in that, you have to write that information, the correct one which you want to be fed in your profile. Here in this line, you see this is the existing profile and the proposed change. Whatever change you want to happen, you have to write here. And after providing that information, you just double check and check this box. I agree that the corrections made above are confirmed, and if they found invalid, then my Indos is liable to be cancelled. Then click submit for correction. So this is the entire thing here. Here also you can see if any correction has been made to your profile in past. The same will be visible here, and what was the status of that, whether it was approved or declined. You can see the status as well, application number, how many times the request has been sent for the correction, serial number, you can see number 1. So in my profile, I had requested once back in 2021, and I still remember I had to pay 500 rupees per word for the correction. But now good thing is you can do it online and free. You do not have to visit any agent, any cyber cafe for that. So that's all in this video for today. I hope you like this video. So if you like it, be kind enough to like and subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching. You have a great day. Thank you.